Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spacers on the video channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see how to measure the thickness of the spacers you need. Using a ruler, place it on the outmost part of the rim where the wheel comes close to the fender. Then this distance is the thickness that can achieve the look back flush or nearly flush with the fender. If you need wheel spacers with special thickness or full pattern conversion to install the wheels with different data, Bonus Customer Spacer is your best choice. Bonus has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be complete 1 to 3 days at the farthest. Besides, Bonus provides OEM ODM too. Bonus provides customized service of special thickness 3mm to 116mm. If you have any questions about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Welcome to subscribe our new channel, Bonus Wheel Fitment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.